What I'm going to say will blow your mind. It's the biggest mistake 90% of the YouTubers are making. And it is because of this mistake, most of the people are either quitting YouTube after a few months of making videos, or they are never able to make satisfactory income from YouTube. Now, before we go into this topic, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel because we are going to cover a lot of success secrets of freelancers and business owners and YouTubers. So stay tuned, and now let's get back to the topic. We all know that many people start YouTube because they want to make money, and they have the goal that they will make the money like maybe $2,000, $5,000 a month, but that never happens for many people, and that shatters their dream and they quit YouTube. Now in this video, I'm going to show you the solution that how you can make a lot of money with very less views without AdSense. So let's cover the mistake first. The biggest mistake is depending too much on AdSense, and I will prove it right now why I'm saying it's a mistake. See, after 2-3 months, 6 months, you get around on an average around 2,000 to 3,000 views per video. Because when you start the channel, Google or YouTube doesn't trust you yet. It still has to figure out a lot of things, your right audience. So your first few videos no one watch, and within 3 to 6 months, hopefully, if you're lucky, you will get up to 5,000 views, right, per video. And the RPM, average RPM, which is the money you make from the ads per 1,000 views, is on an average around, let's take $3 for example. So $3 is the average RPM, and based on that, if you get around 5,000 views per video, that's roughly $15 per video. If you make 4 videos a month, that's around $50 to $60 a month. Now my question to you, is that enough for you to live $50 to $60, which is hardly, I think, whatever, like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 rupees a month? That's not enough, and this is what happens in most of the cases where people come with a lot of excitement on YouTube, and then they keep making videos, they get up to 5,000 views, but in countries like India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, all those countries, RPM is even lower, and they never make satisfactory income even after 1 year, and then they quit. And this is why I call it the biggest mistake that YouTubers are making. And that is why I said it will blow your mind, because you are actually going in the wrong direction. If you understand what I'm trying to say in this video, then you can actually fix your direction. Imagine walking in a long highway, right, chasing the wrong thing and wasting a lot of time on something which will never work. So let's talk about the solution now. Let's change the gears and talk about the solution. The solution is you need to have clear goal, and you need to have a set product or service that you're going to sell on YouTube, because you're never going to make enough money from AdSense. So you need to have your own product or service. Either it's already you have product or service, or you're going to create a digital product or any digital course, any digital product, or any existing service. For example, I run a digital marketing agency, and we provide SEO and website design services, and I get clients from this YouTube channel. And I'm also bringing a digital course, online course for you, how you can make a lot of money from YouTube by selling your services, whatever services or products you have, without having to worry about getting a lot of views. So even with the less views, you can make a lot of money. So back to the point, you need to have a clear goal. You need to have clear digital products or services that you're gonna sell on YouTube. See, the problem is people see YouTube as ad revenue generation machine. They think that the YouTube channel will get them a lot of ad revenue, but actually the truth is YouTube is a lead generation system for you. So YouTube helps you generate leads for selling your products and services. I will try to make it easy for you. What I'm trying to say is, you make those videos, you have a clear goal that I'm going to sell this product and services. Okay, you have this product that you want to sell. Now from day one, you're going to make videos around the topics that revolve around that product or service. And in all those videos, you're going to use call to action which goes towards that product or services. So you're making your audience aware of that product and service. You're telling people about that, and then you're sending them to a landing page where you're capturing their name and email. And once you grow your email list, you slowly start sending them emails about selling, pretty much indirectly or directly selling your product and services, which I will cover in another video. But this is the process. This is the process of making more money with less views. So even if you have 1,000 views on your video, you know, and that if out of those 1,000, like 50% of the people are actually your genuine audience who genuinely follow you, then like the concept of 1,000 true fans, if you're able to make 1,000 true fans, they will actually buy anything from you. So because they are the loyal fans, whatever you're creating, they will buy. Another important thing is you need to choose your niche. So make sure you have a niche, make sure you have the right product and services. If you don't have, create one, and then try to capture the leads from YouTube and see YouTube as a lead generation system, right? If you get some AdSense revenue a little bit here and there in the future, that's fine, that's a bonus. But you're going to focus on this funnel marketing to create a funnel where at the top you create the awareness, then you create the leads, right? Capturing the emails and name of the people who are interested, send them from YouTube video to that landing page, and that's where on that landing page you talk about your product and service and make them aware of what you're trying to sell. And the same thing you can do through the emails, because they have given you their email and name, and then slowly you will send them emails about your product. So this is the solution, and this is the biggest mistake that most people make. 90% of the people quit, and I hope if they watch this video, the concept is clear now, that you need to be doing your calculations, you need to do your maths, right? You need to get your concepts clear, and without money, without motivation, of course, I don't think anyone will continue making the video unless you're just doing it for fun. But I want you to make money. I want you to generate regular income from YouTube. And for that, you need to come up with a clear system that I explained in this video. If you guys like this video, if you got some value from this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you want to make money as a freelancer, because we share a lot of success secrets for small business owners and freelancers and creators. So I will show you how to exactly make money sitting at home in your own comfort, in your own room, doing flexible hours. I will show you exactly how to make money, in fact a lot of money, because a lot of people who have become millionaire with this same method, with this exact method that I mentioned in this video. And in the future videos I'm going to show you step by step, so you need to subscribe and let me know in the comment section what you think of this video, what kind of videos you want to see, and if you have any questions, and please tell me more about yourself. Let's talk in the comment section. Thanks guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.